Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over how you remove your inner door panel. We need to remove the inner door panel to be able to get to your window regulator and remove the window itself as speaker, any of the components that we need behind that. We're going to remove the inner door panel for that. So to start with, we have a little cover right here that we need to pop off. There's a little indent right here to be able to get your non-marring tool under and to be able to pop that off. And then just work your way down toward the bottom. And we go from the top to the bottom because we got a tab right here that locks into the bottom there. And we got there, then we have two T30s in there, two T30s on the bottom, and now we should be able to pull this door off, and we'll have electric connectors to undo, as well as a cable here for the to open the door. Remove those bolts. Now we should be able to go around, getting our Alright, so once we popped all the clips, we should be able to pull the door up and then be able to unhook these connectors. This just twists and undone, and then we have 3 electric connectors on this top side. And with there was 4 electric connectors and this cable to be undone from the back side, and now our inner door panel has been removed. So now we're going to go ahead and put the inner door panel back on. So first you'll need to raise it up and bring it up, and we'll hook all the electrics back up, and we have to hook this one connector back up so that our inner door handle will open. Raise it up, just get it into, and let's line up all the connectors and snap them in. The connector for the window functions, you just press it in and it's going to make a quite big snap noise, and that's how you know that that one has got into place. Okay, so all the electric connections are made. Then we're going to take this and we need to run it. Runs in from the top, and then you pull it to the back and it clears in there, and then as you press it toward the vehicle, it locks up on a clip there. Now we take the door panel and we put it up over the weather stripping here, and then we'll be able to work our way around. So we set the door panel over the weather stripping. It's set on there. We got this tab around there, and now you can just work around locking all the push pins. All the push pins we have locked into place. Now we have the 2 T30 bolts here and 2 T30 bolts on the bottom. The T30s on the top are just a standard small bolt, and the T30s on the bottom have a big spacer in them. So we've got the T30s in and tightened up, and then last we'll want to put this cover for the handle. Start it from the bottom, and then work our way up and clip that all together. And so that's how you would put your door panel, inner door panel back on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.